Energy comes from unleashing of desire. Great thing to write down even if you already know it. Unleashing of desire is how energy is formed, how energy flows to and through you. It's the unlocking mechanism. When you're incredibly enthused every single day, energy's flowing, things are moving forward, it's because you are in love with what you're doing. You're in love with your goal and idea, and that's what's carrying you onward and upward. If you feel stuck, you feel stagnant, it's because you're not thinking about your goal, you're not getting emotionalized. What's currently in your scenario, your circumstances, is overpowering the thoughts in your mind. Okay. One last thing, then we're going to do a little application. This is the thing that we went through with Bob, the little inner circle. I encourage you to write it down as I'm drawing it. In fact, give me one moment here. I'm actually going to create a little blank slate like that so we can draw a little bit easier. Okay, so draw this with me. Simple stick figure drawing first on the left-hand side. Okay. Got the mind, of course. We got the body. Let's connect it. A couple of arms and legs. This little stick figure is a little lopsided, but that's okay. All right. Type idea. Idea in your conscious mind. Subconscious mind, we're going to put the heart of hearts. Now this is supposed to be a heart, just a little tough with freehand paint drawing. So that's idea. I know that looks like a sharp part right there, but just imagine that's a heart. You can draw a little more symmetrical. Okay. Then on the outside of the body, you want to write let. Now, Bob went through this at the inner circle. Imagine this. His top consultants, he didn't come up with new concepts to bring to the table. He did not tell us anything that we already did not see before. He showed us the stick figure diagram. Sometimes we're like, oh my God, I see this diagram all the time. Isn't it going to show me something different, right? But this is the key to everything. And we're going to see it and look at it from a different perspective today. The only thing that matters is getting the idea that you love, it's your goal, into the heart of hearts, your subconscious. And when that happens, it's because you're letting the idea in your conscious mind drip down to your subconscious mind. You are letting the spiritual power come to and through you and let that idea flow so it ultimately becomes manifested through your subconscious mind and into the physical world.